Hey guys, what up? Today I'm going to show you about Hippo Video. Hippo Video is an online screen video recorder and editor. You just need to create an account, and there's a free version and a paid version. So I'll be logging in using my Gmail account. So here you can record your screen videos, edit it, or importing your own videos, creating a video slideshow, put some watermarks on your videos. So here, you can also post your own videos on their platform, collect video testimonials and integrations with Slack and other apps. You can even have additional users access to your account. So how does Hippo Video work? You just need to log in to their platform or just click on download their Chrome extension, just like this test screen video. So once you record your video, you can edit it using their editor. Okay, so they even have you have your own library. So these are all my video recordings, the testimonials from my customers. Okay, so adding users, integrations with Gmail, Google Slides, Document, Slack, Trello, and Jira. You can even have integrations with most of the popular CRM platforms and help desk platforms. So here, you can do your own branding. Okay, you can even set up your email templates for videos. And as I've mentioned, there's a free plan. Starts at their paid plan starts at $29 up to $99 for the enterprise. So that's it for my first recording. I'll be showing you a bit more of this in my later videos. Thank you.